Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Friday, May 10th, 2024. Core developers release EOF Meta EIP-7692. Cal Protocol introduces programmatic orders. Privy now supports passkeys. And Ethena releases its 2024 roadmap. All this and more starts right after this message. This episode is sponsored by Harpy, an on-chain security solution for Ethereum-based wallets. Harpy helps you detect and prevent malicious transactions before they execute, safeguarding your assets from theft in real time. Secure your wallet for free at harpy.io/ETHdaily. Ethereum core developers released a Meta EIP for Ethereum object format, a set of about 11 EIPs designed to add an opt-in container for EVM code that enhances code validation and introduces new functionality. A Meta EIP serves as a central proposal that includes changes to both the execution layer and consensus layer for coupled upgrades. EIP-7692 outlines the scope for an initial version of EOF referred to as Mega EOF. Ethereum's next upgrade, Pectra, is already set to include 6 EIPs, with EOF currently being considered for inclusion. In the upcoming All-Core Devs execution layer call, developers will determine the potential inclusion of EIP-7792, an account abstraction update proposed by Vitalik Buterin. Cal Protocol, the leading MEV protecting DEX, introduced programmatic orders, an order type that allows for the creation of multiple orders using a single signature. The orders are then executed when preset conditions are met on-chain. The primitive powers CalSwap's TWAP feature and enables complex trading strategies to be automated and executed indefinitely. Cal Protocol also released the Programmatic Order Framework, a framework that automates the order setup. It includes the Watchtower relayer that automatically executes orders based on predefined conditions. The framework offers significant cost savings by enabling mass deployment of updates and orders. The Programmatic Order Framework is now available for developers to use for their dApps. Privy, a provider of authentication tools, expanded its multi-factor authentication capabilities for embedded wallets to include support for passkeys. Once multi-factor authentication is enabled, any operation that requires access to the wallet's private key, such as signing messages, sending transactions, exporting the wallet, or recovering it, will require multi-factor verification. Passkeys enable users to use biometric data for verification, enhancing security and user experience. Privy also supports SMS and one-time password authentication apps as MFA methods. Privy's toolkit allows developers to integrate Web2 sign-in options into their applications, including email, SMS, and social media login. And lastly, Guy Young, the founder of Ethena Labs, released a 2024 roadmap focusing on 3 main objectives for USDE, which include establishing it as a widely recognized digital currency within crypto, integrating it across DeFi, CeFi, and TradFi, and developing an aggregated liquidity layer. The endgame for Ethena spans across 3 key pillars, which are money, network, and exchange. As a form of money, USDE aims to become a leading digital currency. In terms of network, Ethena aims to build a comprehensive financial ecosystem around USDE, and for exchange, it plans to leverage its capital to assist new trading platforms. In other news, claims for Eigen are now live, Layer 3 introduces its L3 governance token, and ENS now supports custom domain expiration dates. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us on X at ETHdaily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next week.